If you watched our Greece videos, you know we've been traveling without any cell service. We either ask strangers for directions or use Wi-Fi when we can find it. We found a little joint. It's pretty packed, so I hope that's a good sign. Ordered 2 full English breakfasts with coffee, so I'm very much looking forward to that. The English breakfast was very good. I'm happy now. We're now at King's Cross Station, which I'm super excited about because it's part of where Harry Potter was filmed. Oh dear, look at that line. There's a spot where you can take your picture with the cart running into the 9 3/4 wall, but the line is ridiculous. Okay, King's Cross was cool because it was on Harry Potter, but this station is absolutely magnificent. It's massive. Pancras. I thought it said Pancreas Station, but it's Pancras.
Look at that.
Panda Pink Corvette. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
Where?
It's a McLaren. We made our way to a classic double-decker bus. We should be on our way to like the Westminster Abbey, Buckingham Palace.
It's Minster. They keep saying Minster.
Westminster Abbey. I feel like we're gonna run into those trees every time we pass one.
London hat.
You wanna get a London hat?
Would I look less like a tourist?
I think you would look less like a tourist. I think it would have been cooler to be here when the Queen was still here. Nothing against the king, but the Queen just has so much history tied to her. And I think it would have been cool to be here knowing the Queen of England was in there. It's a really lovely park right next to Buckingham Palace. Our feet and our shoulders are wiped. Got here around 7, but our check-in's not until 3. And we have to lug these heavy backpacks around, and I messaged our Airbnb house.
You're so stuck.
Oh yes, I am. I can't get out of it. Everyone talks like this, or a variation of this, and I'm just stuck. I've always loved accents. I think they're so fun. I think our accent from America is the most boring accent ever.
It's because you hear it all the time.
That's probably true.
And that's for you.
Cheers! Yamas! The pub scene is not quite my favorite scene. It's just loud. Especially one person is very loud and the music's loud. I think I need another drink. But we were told we had to come to a pub when we were here, so we're at the pub. Waiting on that guy to bring me food.
Marley is hiding in between 2 pillars.
Burgers again. We're calling it quits for the night. We've already...
Hey.
I won't get your tidy whities in there. Pretty simple apartment, little Airbnb. Good morning. I woke up and my nose is stuffed, so that's annoying. Both Jared and I are kind of fighting a sinus thing, I think. So today will be fun. It's not all over London, but we're gonna go get breakfast. The bus pass we bought was for yesterday only, so we're gonna be walking today, which is okay because all the things we want to see are within walking distance. It's be half an hour walk, so it's not bad.
You're so dark.
I just want to eat. This is actually pretty close to where we're staying, but we walked around for a bit trying to find other options. This is like the only option within walking distance that has an English breakfast, which really shocked me. But it looks fantastic, so I'm really tired.
Dig in. You're taking this cold way worse than I did.
I'm tired.
Come on.
Maybe it's just hitting me harder.
Yeah, you got the man flu.
That's what you always say. Breakfast was good though.
It's very good.
I think yesterday's breakfast was a little bit better.
I disagree.
I think it was better. I think it was seasoned just ever so slightly better.
More salt.
And it was literally half the price of
That
today's
is true.
breakfast. But I'm full. I'm content, so I'm just gonna...
No, we got stuff to do.
Nap.
Get up. Get up.
So we're at the British Museum, and I feel like every museum we've come to out of states, there's always a massive group of school children here. I think that's great. I would have loved to just be out of school all the time and be in some museum instead of in a classroom, but when you have like 1,000 tiny little high-pitched voices in an echoey room, and I'm already just so tired from like my cold. We're getting a coffee to get us through the rest of the museum. A few of our favorite things from the British Museum, one being the Holy Thorn Reliquary, which supposedly holds a thorn from the crown of thorns worn by Jesus, some skeletal remains which were equally interesting and creepy, and the Rosetta Stone, which I had to fight tooth and nail for this video because there were just too many dang people around this thing. They also had the statues from the Parthenon, which was cool to see because we literally just came from Greece. Okay, so we're idiots. We went in like the back entrance and
VIP entrance.
yeah, we'll call it the VIP entrance, but I was really underwhelmed with how it looked from the outside. I was like, this is it? This is what's so hyped? And then we came out the way we're supposed to, and I was like, oh, okay, that's more like it. That's pretty cool. It's actually a dial tone.
That's a real phone.
Did you hear that guy passing us?
No.
The kid's like, why are they playing in the telephone box?
Because they're American.
He's like, because they're American.
Yep. Correct answer.
It's like Silver Cross or something.
Silver spoon.
No, it's not the Silver Spoon. I sat down, and I'm not sure that I'll be able to get back up. My feet are screaming. How many steps today? I feel like it's not going to be as many as we've done, like in Greece.
19,000
19,000 steps today.
today.
Okay, I mean that's like 8 miles, over 8
We
miles.
still have to get back, so.
Oh my
40,000.
goodness, no. Classic fish and chip meal. Jared's beer.
24,000 steps later.
Oh, don't look at my feet.
What'd you do?
Oh, I got a really bad foot cramp from taking off my
Oh
shoe.
no.
That really hurt. That hurt, Charlie.
Charlie, that really hurt.
Oh my gosh, I'm dead. Leave me alone.
Okay.
We went out. We originally wanted something sweet, like a pastry or a scoop of ice cream or something, but I decided that's probably not what I need right now. We went out to the grocery store and got some bananas and some mango apple juice. Jared got some cheese.
To go with my beef sticks.
Hoping I'll be on the mend for New York tomorrow.